Hey, welcome. Okay, so I know this background is different. So I'm on my way to try to find something to put together for Day of the Dead, Halloween, Gede. I'm going to be celebrating Gede. Gede is the Haitian voodoo celebration of the Day of the Dead. So I'm out right now trying to put something together. So I'm having a hard time trying to trying to find the pieces that I want. Like I want something with like horns that come out like this far, and maybe something with some curves to it, because there's a certain spirit that does a lot of like really good work, and I want to just give honor to that. I'm finding a lot of the places have the same stuff, the fabrics, everything is the same, and everything looks kind of cheap and unrealistic. One, I had several ideas. I said maybe I can do the spirit that I want to give honor to with the one with the horns. And then second, I said, well, if I can't do that, then I can do something for Earth Mother. Maybe put some flowers and leaves in my hair, and then dress like a tree or something that represented Earth Mother, something with flowers, something really pretty. And if I couldn't do that, I said maybe I could do something for the Haitian Revolution, a female warrior ancestor type of outfit. So I have three. I have the spirit with the horns, the Earth Mother costume, or something for a female warrior. I've been thinking about it for a few weeks. I'm really leaning towards the spirit with the horn because that's what I wanted to do last year, but I just never got to it because I think I was in Haiti last year or planning to go to Haiti or something. So this year, I want to do it all. I just want to go all the way. I I only have about 5 days to come up with this. I'm one of these people, it's either all or nothing. If I can't put a little bit of energy into something, especially when it comes to like being creative. It's either all or nothing. If I can't do it the way that I see it needs to be done for it to look good, then I just don't want to do it at all. That's how I am. So I'm looking at like Party City. I went to the dollar store or family, not, I forgot what it's called, but it's a store that sells things for just like $2, and then it's not stuff that I'm keeping. I can just throw it away. And then I'm also thinking about going to places like Joann's or Marshall's, just places where I can find something that's more sturdy things. Maybe I don't want to just put this on and throw it away. Maybe I want to keep it for next year, or I just want to keep it just to have something special. So that's another thing I'm trying to decide. I gotta weigh it out. Do I want to just put something on and then just throw it away the next day, or do I want to invest money in putting something really good together and save it for another time? Um, the difference, I will be doing a video for Get It, but right now Halloween is celebrated first, so I'm not doing anything for Get It right now. I'm focusing on just doing videos for Halloween. But just to FYI, Get It is celebrated more like it's very ritualistic, where Halloween is more for I don't know. Halloween, people celebrate Halloween for fun, for like parties and just coming together for fun. No, a lot of people, most people don't really celebrate Halloween for like seriousness. It's fun, where which is that's fine too. There's not a problem with that because little kids dress up. You can dress up however you want. It's fine because not everyone is connected with that time or know what it's supposed to be, so that's fine too, because celebrate is celebrate. It doesn't matter if you understand it. It doesn't matter how much money you spend. It doesn't matter if you buy your costume at the dollar store. You're still celebrating it, so it's still energy you're giving to something That's what I talked about in my last video. But still, I know a lot of people don't really celebrate it to be serious. Whereas Gede, people celebrate it for, sorry, making sure my eyes. People celebrate it more for ritualistic. Um, they have parties, they have food. You do dress up, but not everybody, they don't dress up in costumes. Like, forget it, people celebrate it more. They might have parties and they wear a certain color. So everybody wear that color. They look nice and they might have like face mask and different things like that. But it's a different type of energy. It's more ritualistic. It's more like serious, and it's more towards like divine purpose and different things like that. That's why I'm celebrating Gede, because I think, and also Gede lasts a lot longer. Gede is for the whole month of November for Haitian Gede. Um, so I guess I have several things going on. I have, but is it going to be easier for me to just do something for Earth Mother, dress up for Halloween as Earth Mother, or an female warrior ancestor, or do Get It? Get It is going to take the most time, most money, the most energy, because, like I said, it's more ritualistic. So I'm trying to put something together. I'm looking for fabric because there's certain colors that I would like to wear, which is purple, black, and white for Gede. That's what I want to wear. I know some people wear red and black. You don't have to wear any type of color, but for me, that's what I want to wear. And then I want my makeup done. I want like my face done. I want to do like a skull, maybe like half skull and something else on the other side. For my hair, I want to get the horns, but I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair for now. I don't know if I want to just keep my hair down or put it up in a ponytail, or I have no clue. And honestly, I only have about 5 days, 4 or 5 days to put all this stuff together. But the good thing is, Get It is for the whole month of November. So after people celebrate Halloween, I can actually wait till after Halloween, go to the stores and try to get like a good discount on everything that people didn't buy for Halloween. I might do that. Let me know if you have any plans. What are your plans? Are you dressing up for Halloween? What are you doing? For me, I celebrate Get It, but if I'm invited to a Halloween party, I will go. Also, if I go to the store and I find something that I resonate with for Halloween, I might dress up for Halloween and then dress up also for Get It. So I can do both. It just depends how much time and energy I want to put into Halloween, and knowing if I'm going to celebrate Get It, I'm going to have to put a lot of time and energy into that. Let me see what else. Yeah, let me know your plans. What do you plan on doing? Are you dressing up? Do you have children? Are you going to take the children trick-or-treating? I may be participating and helping with the children. I don't have small children myself. I have 3 like young grandsons, so I may participate in helping them get dressed up. I don't know yet. We haven't even talked about it, but let me know what your plans are. Are you dressing up? Shoot, tell me, what are you dressing up as? I already told you guys I'm either gonna be the spirit with the horn, the Mother Earth, or the Haitian Revolution female warrior. Those are my top 3, because the reason why I chose to dress up or recreate that image is because that's the energy that I want to connect with. Remember, in my video part 3, Day of the Dead, my video part 3, possessions, portals and possessions, I talk about dressing up as the energy or the spirit you're trying to connect with. In fact, watch part 1, part 2, and part 3, because I go a little bit on each. about why it's important. If you want to give honor, if you really want to celebrate it and gain something more than just being superficial about it, if you want to go deeper, gain something deeper, dress up as something you want to connect with, something you would want to be yourself, or something you want to give honor to. So that's my dilemma right now. Let me know what you're going to dress up as. If you have children, are you going to dress up the kitties? If you have pets, are you dressing up your puppies? I don't have any pets. And are you going to any parties? I'm hoping to go to like one or two gay day parties. I haven't been invited into any Halloween parties. I think people are probably just gonna, go out drinking or whatever. I don't know. But let me know what you're doing. That's my plan. That's what I'm working on. So I'm going to the store right now and try to put something together and see what I can do. And my next video is going to be for Halloween. I'm going to go deeper into Halloween, different parts of the world, how they celebrate it, how it originated. Sorry, I keep looking at myself because I feel like my eyes look weird because I don't have any lights on that side. All the light is over here. So I do have both eyes. Okay, so my next video is going to be about Halloween and all that. And then after I do that video, then I'll do something special for Get It and go into that. Hopefully, by the time I do my video for Get It, I'll have all my stuff. I can dress up and, be on camera. And hopefully, I'll have something special for Halloween as well. But either way, I'm going to do a video on both. So look forward on October 31st. I'll upload something for Halloween, and about maybe 6-7 days later, I'll upload something for Get It. Okay, that's it. That's my background. Like I said, I'm out and about. Talk to you later. Remember, let's get wild, stay free, be free, and I'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe and like, share my channel. Again, you're watching Nature Spirit Academy. Nature Spirit Academy, we connect with the divine. We give honor to Earth Mother. That's what we're about. So subscribe on Facebook, Nature Spirit Academy. I'm on TikTok, Nature Spirit Academy. We connect and we honor just wholesome traditions and to help us navigate and restore our connection with Mother Earth. That's it for now. Let me know what you're up to. Give me some ideas. Do you go to certain stores? Where do you shop for Halloween? Or whatever it is you're celebrating, because I know different parts of the world have different names. Where do you shop? What do you do? Share with me as I share with you. Goodbye. Have a good day and look forward to the next video.